Today let's talk about functions. So how can we utilize functions in Power BI? So how can we integrate the functions and parameters together to build to have some to get the data in a dynamic way. So let's grab some data. So today I'm just going to get data from web. And let's copy. So here you can see this offset value. So this is what our dynamic parameter. So here if you go to previous page, let me go to next page, 200. If it is, you can see that this value is changing. So this is our dynamic parameter. Now let me go copy this link, let me go to web. Maybe you can just keep it 0 for the first page to grab some data. Yeah, we have these are the different tables we got. Let me grab this thing. Okay, yeah, and let's go to advanced editor here. Yeah, I can see here this is what we are looking out for, right? Here maybe we would like to add some dynamic parameter, right? So in order to create function, so this is the syntax we need to write. Set. Okay, so this is the parameter which I will create after this step. So I'm just declaring this name as offset here, and if you want to declare at a function, this is the syntax. You need to give equal to and this greater than symbol, right? And you need to assign this parameter here. You need to give ampersand and then set. This is what, right? Yeah, that's it. As soon as you click on done, you can see this is a function it's created, right? And it's created this function to grab the data. And let me create this thing. Maybe if you want to, let me create this thing, enter data. Offset, maybe you can give 0, 200 and 400, right? Let me create this thing table. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me make this thing as a text. Go to advanced editor, right? You can make it as text. Done. You can go to this table and make it as let's change the data type to text here. Change the type. Replace current. Yeah. So in order to invoke a function, just go here, invoke custom function. This is the thing we have, and here we have this column. But this is the column we have created. Column name, and then click OK. Yeah, that's it. So this is the table that we got it. We go here, click OK. Perfect. So we got all the data, right? 0 to 100, 400, all the pages data here. So actually this is the better way when if you have any repetitive task, or if you want sometimes in order to get all these pages data, right, it will take a lot of time when you are getting web data. So maybe you can just have this dynamic way by having this function, so that we can get the data very easily if we're having multiple number of columns or multiple number of pages data from the web or even from the SQL server. You can have this kind of stuff. So I think that's it. Maybe if you have any questions regarding the functions, feel free to comment it out. Thank you.